Hi everybody, this is my 1991 Volkswagen Golf GTI. It sat for 12 years and it never ran. So I cleaned out the fuel tank and found that I had to replace the lift pump and the main fuel pump. Got those replaced, so I will be adding fuel system cleaner from MotorPower Care, and we'll see how much of an improvement that makes. I also will do an engine flush, and just to show you here, I put clean oil in, and there's the clean oil, synthetic oil. It's been added to the engine, but again, there are some pictures which show you the inside of the rocker cover and the splash guard. Just see how dirty that is, and this oil should then pick up all that dirt, and so now I'm going to be getting all these flushes. First time in 12 years I'm going to take off the oil cap, which which you can see is still dry in there. But again, and there is a splash guard. The splash guard is not allowing us to see anything in there, and I just made it. It's likely that I'll take this whole rocker cover off. Every time I tried to put the endoscope in the oil under the rocker cover to see and slide past the spray guard, it just gummed up and got so dirty on the top of the lens I couldn't see anything. I then took a picture in the breather. The filter in here is absolutely blocked. I will take the rocker cover off and will probably hand wash some of these items. Typically you wouldn't drain oil while it's cold, but this engine has sat for 12 years. I'm not sure what the condition of the oil is going to be, so we're going to drain this oil. I'll drain it into a nice clean aluminum pan and show you what it looks like. Then I'll put some clean oil in for when we start to turn the engine over to get into those chambers. The 12-year-old engine oil is rather black and thick, of course, because it's cold, but I have a cup of new engine oil sitting there, and here I'll show you a comparison. This 12-year-old oil is that's before I've even begun to do any flushing. This engine is obviously quite dirty, so I'll see what to do and how clean I can get it after we flush. Here I'm going to remove the old oil filter that has sat in here on this for 12 years. So there's that same black oil is going to be in there. I'm going to put in a cheap enough filter to start with the oil flush, and I will be changing that after I've performed the oil flush. There we go. It's just as black. Now with a steady hand, I'm going to put my demonstration oil into the oil filter, as you should always do. Pre-oil your filter. Here's the camshaft cover that I'm going to reinstall. Earlier you saw just how dirty it was. I wiped a section here to give it a comparison, and I cleaned out this filter, which was totally blocked, so that my PVC PCV valve would operate and get air. So I'm going to install this now with this here, and then we're going to run it, and after a period of time and several oil changes with the oil conditioner and engine flush, we're going to look at this again and see what condition it is and the other parts of the engine to see how much they've improved. And we'll see what we get.